Don't forget Chijoke, yam baba, yam, I've been a potato, I've been a rice, I've been a cocoyam, baba. Don't forget that history doesn't forget. We will play the video for you when it is time. You have made your choice where and which side to follow. Now you have decided to come out public to let us know which side are you following. And we have noticed that. We've taken note of that. Chijoke. A na-ejikwa ihe na-akpa na ntị akpa n'anya. Ejighị ihe na-akpa na ntị ọ bụ n'imi akpa ya n'anya. Chijoke. Only people you know how to interview are people who are speaking against the will and the choice of the people. Thousands of people, millions of people who follows, who listen, who respect, who have regard, who have good opinion about Nnamdi Kanu, you don't see them. The only people you know how to interview are those who have a different opinion, who have a negative ideas, opinion against him. Those are the people you know how to invite to your studio. Don't tell me that you don't have hand. Don't tell me that it is not your doing. It is not your decision. It is not your opinion. It is. You already know people who are coming to your studio, and you already know the idea they are coming to share in your studio. You know their objectives. Chijoke. Yam baba, Chijoke. Yadeba. So Chukuma, I say make I remind you. Don't forget that history doesn't forget. Don't forget Chijoke, yam baba, yam.